Now we're going to do the legs of this model in a way similar to the way we did the neck and the head. We're going to rotate the model and select the bottom face of the torso and do a single sweep. Now to model the legs, we need to divide this face into equal halves. We could do this with the Add Edges tool and manually place an edge on that face. But as you can see, this isn't very symmetrical. So we'll just get rid of that edge there and take a slightly different approach. We'll select the face, and then with the Quad Divide tool, we'll divide that face into 4 equal sections. Select 2 of the faces and do a single sweep on those. Then select the other 2 faces using Control, of course, and click to select multiple faces and do a sweep on those as well. Then we're going to select all of the faces. Right now they look as if they are all still one quadded face. But if we take the Scale tool, left and right click and drag, we can clearly see that we've created 2 separate sweeps from that one face. Use a sweep again and rotate the model back this way, and then move that sweep down. The axes were locked out there. Move that sweep down toward the knees. Add another sweep for the knee area. Again, right-click and drag there. And then we can do another sweep down to the ankles. Right-click and drag that down. We can even scale that, of course. As these new edges are still live, they're indicated in the light blue color. We can go back and scale each one, just to see what that looks like. We'll return to the melted control mesh state. And you can see we've got some very basic legs there. Again, they're rounded at the base because if you look, there's a long distance between our last sweep and the previous one. So we'll do what we did with all the other hard edges. We'll select them and do a small sweep to tighten them up. So we've got 2 sets of edges very close to one another. Sweep once more and scale that down. Sweep once more and move that up inside. Once again, in melted state, you can see that we've got a very tight edge there.